Roads can be dangerous if we're not careful. That's why we follow safety rules every time, no exceptions.
I'm gonna show you the steps to cross safely. Ready? Let's go step by step.
A stop sign means every car and every person must stop completely before moving again.
The first rule: always stop at the curb. Never step into the road until it's safe.
Next, look left, then right, then left again. This is how you check for cars coming from both directions. Cars need space to stop. Standing back from the curb keeps you safe if a driver can't stop in time.
This is called a crosswalk. It's the safest place to cross because drivers expect people to be walking here.
Crossing with a friend or grown-up is safer than crossing alone. Keep checking for cars the whole way across.
A red light means stop and wait. Cars have to stop, and so do we. A green light means it may be safe to go piddle, but always check for cars turning before you step out. This walking person symbol tells you it's your turn to cross. Wait for it before stepping into the road.
If the signal flashes or shows a hand, don't start crossing. Finish crossing only if you're already halfway. Drivers can't always see you, especially near parked cars or trucks. Make sure you can see the driver before crossing. Young children should always hold an adult's hand near roads and parking lots. It only takes a second for something to go wrong. When waiting for the bus, stand back from the curb until it has come to a complete stop.
Line up and board one at a time. No pushing. Everyone gets a turn. Once you're seated, buckle your seatbelt right away, even for a short ride.
The area right around the bus is called the danger zone. Never walk close to the bus where the driver can't see you.
A helmet protects your head if you fall. Always wear one snugly buckled, every single ride.
Looking at a phone while walking or biking means you might miss a car. Put it away near roads. In low light, drivers may not see you easily. Reflective gear helps them spot you from far away.
Adding reflective strips to your backpack or shoes makes you more visible to drivers at dawn, dusk, or night.
When you hear a siren, stay still and let the emergency vehicle pass. It's rushing to help someone. A crossing guard's raised hand means cars must stop. When they wave you forward, it's safe to cross.
Parking lots are tricky because cars can back up without seeing you. Walk in clear paths and always look before crossing behind a car. Let's recap. Stop at the curb. Look left, right, left. Listen for cars. Then cross carefully using the crosswalk.